Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to get a Mitsubishi out of park position if the shifter is refusing to move when you press the brake pedal. So you might do this if there is an issue. For example, you can have a faulty brake light switch. You can have a problem with the transmission here, maybe the shifter itself, maybe the interlock mechanism between the steering wheel and the shifter, or you might just need to tow the vehicle. But before you do this, one thing to keep in mind is make sure to have the parking brakes on, and also you still want to press the brakes, because once you move this out of park, there's a high risk the vehicle could roll. So you want to make sure that you have secured the vehicle. Go ahead, press the brakes anyway. Okay, so here you have this little piece. You take a flathead screwdriver, put it to the side there, and just pop this off. Now put this piece to a safe location. You're gonna reuse that. Then you take the screwdriver and you push down. Well, you push down on the screwdriver. You take the shifter, and now you can move it. Remember, make sure the engine is off. You're pressing the brakes. You have the parking brakes on, because there is that risk of the vehicle rolling. But that's it. Very simple. Thank you for watching.